Hello, woodworkers and carpenters. Welcome to Woodworking Zone. Got some amazing wood creations, but not sure how to sell them? Let's cover 5 proven ways to turn your woodworking into profits. 1. Local craft fairs and markets. Start local. Craft fairs and farmers markets are perfect for showcasing your work and connecting with customers face-to-face. 2. Online marketplaces. Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and eBay are fantastic for reaching a global audience. Snap some quality photos, write catchy descriptions, and start selling. 3. Social media. Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are gold mines for creative businesses. Post videos of your process and finished products. People love seeing the craftsmanship. 4. Custom orders for clients. Offer made-to-order services. Weddings, anniversaries, and home decor projects are always in demand. 5. Partner with local businesses. Sell your items in local stores or partner with cafes and boutiques for exclusive deals. It's a great way to build a local following. Start small, keep improving, and soon you'll see the sales rolling in. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone